Stanley knife, small paint tray, white spirit, grip tape and a funnel. Step 2, taking the grip off. If you've got a steel shaft, literally just go straight down the grip with your Stanley knife. Don't worry about marking the shaft and that will come off super easy. However, graphite shafts, you need to be a bit more careful. Roll the grip back and then mark with your Stanley knife the grip going nowhere near that graphite. Roll it down again, keep rolling, keep splitting. If you do have a hook knife, then you won't have to worry about the graphite shaft. Step 3, taking off the grip tape and applying it back on. If you want thicker grips, leave the old tape on, but your grip tape should just slide off nice and easily in one piece. Now we need to work out how long our new grip tape needs to be. So put the grip tape by the end of the grip, unravel it until you get to the length of the grip. Now we want it to be slightly longer. Mark it up and cut a strip off. Pop your grip up against your shaft so you know where the bottom of the grip's going to be and mark it with a pen, or I just do it with my thumb. Apply that grip tape straight up the shaft, smooth it all round and then rip off that top bit of tape. Make sure it's all stuck down and the remainder twist at the end and push it in the end of your club. Step 4, white spirit. Pop your finger over the hole at the end of your grip and pop some white spirit through there so it doesn't spill. Give it a good shake so it's all over the grip inside. The end of step 4 and step 5 have to happen really quickly, so we're now applying the grip. Grab a small paint tray and pour the remaining white spirit all over the grip tape. Once you've done that, now is time to put this grip on. Slide it over the end and slide that grip down the shaft. Get the club on the floor and just twist that grip. Make sure you get the end of the grip all lined up too nicely with that leading edge. Give it a good smack on the table to make sure it's all the way on. And then